Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to curve text in Gimp. It will be really simple and easy. First of all, open Gimp and prepare your canvas or the photo where you want to add the curved text. Then go for this text tool in the toolbar or press T on your keyboard. On the left side text panel, adjust the font style, size and color as you like. You can also change alignment, spacing, and even enable anti-aliasing for smooth edges or disable it for sharper edges. Then, if you only want to style part of your text differently, highlight the specific text and adjust its fonts or size in the text panel. Once your text is ready, switch to the Path tool in the toolbar or simply press B on your keyboard. Then, draw the path for your text to follow. Start by clicking on your path starting point, then click where you want to end. If you want to curve it, just drag up or down from the curve. When you are satisfied with your path, go to the Layers panel, right click on your text layer and select Text Along Path. Now adjust the curved text to your liking along to the path. To finish up, create a new layer. Click the Create New Layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Press Ctrl Shift N on your keyboard. In the layer options, set the fill to transparency and hit OK. With both the paths selected and a new layer active, go to the Paths panel and click the Fill With button. If you want to hide the path, go to the Paths tab beside the Layers panel and click the eye icon next to the path you like to hide. And there you go. That's pretty much it. That's how to curve text in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.